Hey, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name's Eileen and I own a clothing brand called Wicked Rebels. On this channel, I give out advice to new business owners, and today I wanted to get into some t-shirt blanks and some hoodie blanks. I think it's really important to find a really good quality garment for a good price when you're starting maybe a clothing brand or a t-shirt printing business. You want to give the best experience to your customers. So when I first started my business, I felt like I couldn't really find a good video to watch that would really give me a close-up of what the garment looked like and how it fit. So I am actually going to be trying on all of the garments and letting you know how they fit and how they feel so that you get a better understanding of what's out there. This is a Gildan 5000 heavy cotton tee in a unisex small. Its wholesale price is about $3, and I'd say that's a pretty great value. It is a classic fit, and overall, I'd say it's pretty comfortable. It is a little bit scratchy and very thin. Right off the bat, I did notice there was some pilling, and I just got this shirt. I haven't washed it yet. Um, so if you're concerned about a shirt that is going to be durable and last a long time, this probably isn't going to be your best option. It does have a tearaway label though, so if you're looking for something that you can tear away and replace with your own tags, this would work just fine. Up next, we have a Bella Canvas 3001 CVC tri-blend in a unisex small. It's really soft, lightweight, and form-fitting, so it'd be like a slim fit. You can get this wholesale at $5.39. Right off the bat, I didn't notice any pilling with this shirt. It also has a tearaway label, so you can take it off and put on your own label if you want. Bella Canvas has a wide selection of amazing colors, so if you're looking for something trendy that you can offer a variety of colors in, and are willing to spend a little bit more for a more premium shirt, then I would go with Bella Canvas. This is an AS Color 5001 staple tee in a unisex small. I didn't have a blank at home, so I had to use a shirt that we printed on. But overall, I think it's the most premium and it's the best fit. It is resistant to fading, and you can get this wholesale at $5.25. Right off the bat, there's no pilling. It's extremely soft and very, very high quality. So if you're looking to spend a good amount and get a really premium shirt, I would go with AS Color. This is a Gildan Heavy Blend G18500 in a unisex medium. This is a classic fit mid-weight hoodie, and you can get this wholesale starting at about $12.50. This hoodie has shoelace drawstrings. I did notice that at the wrists, it's a little bit wider, doesn't really fit tightly, and it collects a lot of lint, starts pilling like crazy. And I haven't washed this hoodie, but it looked pretty faded, so I can only assume it's going to continue to fade. And the inside is semi-soft. This is a cotton Heritage M2580 in a unisex medium. It's a slim fit, runs kind of small, mid-weight, and it shrinks easily. You can get this for $14.83. It has some weird square drawstrings, and I haven't washed this one, but again, it doesn't look true to black. It's a little bit faded, so again, will continue to fade. The cuffs do fit better than the Gildan, and it has this weird mohawk thing on the hood. But yeah, again, sorry I didn't have a blank for this. And the inside is softer than the Gildan. This is an Independent Trading Co IND4000 in a unisex medium. It has an oversized fit. It does have the softest feel, and it's heavyweight. You can get this for about $16.35. The drawstrings on this hoodie are much better, and the cuffs fit really nicely on the wrists. I would say this hoodie is the truest to color, and it feels really durable, like it's going to last a long time. So if that's what you're looking for, I would go with Independent. I hope this information helped. If you have any questions or a suggestion on maybe something I should review, please let me know in the comments. But until then, I'll see you guys next time.